Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we are back at Walgreens and we are in store, and I tested a bunch of these deals yesterday and oh my gosh, they are really amazing. And if you have paper boosters to stack with it, everything will be free across the board. So we're going to look at these deals for you guys to go and do them in store. In store, you have to really pay attention in this video with all the details I'm throwing to you, but we live for very cheap P&G products, and we have Olay, we have Tide, we have so many really cheap products that we will be touching on for this video. Now, one thing I do want to talk to you guys about is a lot of paper products are up to 50% off depending where you're living. But I also want you to really pay attention that if you're buying, say, 6 of these at 90 cents, you're paying basically $5.40 for a 6-pack. Is that really worth it when you can get it for $2.75? No. So I'd rather to see this go even cheaper. So we'll have to wait and see. And this is only a 4-pack of the Scott for $2.50, which optically looks like you're saving a ton of money. But a 12-pack of this, for $7.50, you be the judge if that's a good deal or not. Somebody might buy it, but I think with those paper towels, they might be lingering around for a little bit. Okay, so let's hop right into the deals at hand, which is this. This has been printing. I tried to get it to print on Sunday, and I didn't have any luck. But yesterday, my God, it was printing. And this is also rolling, meaning you can do it from deal 1 to deal 2, and it'll keep printing. So it's rolling. I tested it. And it also has a very quick expiry date. The one that I did yesterday is expiring, I believe, on Thursday. So I would really pay attention to what you have in your wallet and when they're expiring, and maybe ask the cashier, hey, is that machine printing those today? Anything? Because if the machine is off or if they're out of paper, you're going to get nothing. So maybe a good thing to ask. And these new goofy ones as well, they all expire very, very quickly. This one expires on the 10th. Which is a week. Usually it's a 2-week thing, and it's based on like beauty care and such. So just be mindful of that too. You get an angry cashier in front of you, they're gonna be like, I'm not scanning that on potatoes. You know what I'm saying? So just be mindful of that. I had 2 of these, so that's why I wanted to do small baskets in store and test a couple things out. So I was stacking these paper boosters. If you might have something similar, a 5-back when you spend 15, or this one, a 5-back when you spend 25. I was getting all my Walgreens cash too with it, but I was also paying for the balance. So we're just going to look at a couple deals. This first one, I wish I could track down, but unfortunately, my store does not carry the Olay lotion. So it is a lotion. It is not a body wash. So please pay attention to that, guys. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon along with a 3 off. So that's $8 right there. I'm showing you this in a curbside, but we're doing this in store. So please do not get confused. Hopefully I am crystal clear. So you're going to have to load your coupons as well. And I think that top $3 one is an only for you. So unfortunately, not all accounts will have it. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 either on the premium body wash or premium lotion. And these lotions qualify. So that's another $6 back for you. It's $2 per. And just to jog you through this, remember class, we're doing this in store. So 3 of these lotions is $32.47. You're going to subtract your $8 of coupons. So you're going to pay $24.47. You're getting back that $10 P&G register reward plus a $10 beauty, because lotion is part of beauty, this type of lotion. You're also going to photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $6 back. So it basically makes your haul completely for free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay. Now, if you're going to use a booster like the 5-back when you spend 15, don't use your Walgreens cash because you're using a spend booster. But if you wanted to just throw $20 in Walgreens cash into this and give it a shot, by all means try. Let us know in the comments down below. Are the 210s printing for you? Hey guys, if you're a super cautious shopper and you're like, hey, $20 is a lot to throw to this, if somebody can test it and let us know in the comments down below, it should work as discussed. And you also have to make sure your IBOTTA rebate is there, but give it a shot and let us know in the comments down below. Okay, so the next deal that we're looking at is just with body wash. And again, I had one of these I wanted to throw into the mix, and it's just the Olay Premium Body Wash. So this bottle, it has a promotion that when you buy 3, you're getting back a $5 register reward. This is not part of the beauty care, it's lotion only. So hopefully I haven't confused you guys too much. And my register reward for this did in fact print for me. And we are going to load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. So your basket should look something like mine. 3 body washes. And my store like only had like 2 and then a 1, so I got the last 3 that they had. Now, just to show you the receipt for the 3 premium body washes, I rolled that. So I scanned my booster, and then I had a $10 P&G register reward that I rolled into this, and then I had a $4 one from the shampoo deal I did earlier in the week, whatever shampoo I was buying. So that's 14 off. And that 5 off of 2 digital coupon, guys, I didn't load it. I forgot to load it. I'm so stupid. So I had to call customer service after and they gave it to me. But yeah, that was my mess up. Anyhow, I paid $18.97 with my debit card. And then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster that I used. And then these 2 printed, another 10 back when you spend 30 on P&G. And that's the promotion, 10 back when you spend 30. And no, I do not have a master list of everything that's included. And then the $5 for the Olay body wash. And then what I did here was I photographed my receipt for another $6 back from IBOTTA. So for me, it was just like a freebie with the booster. I think for everybody else, it'll be like a couple of bucks per body wash. Still a very good deal. And if you wanted to just roll Walgreens cash, like if you were doing this without a booster, I think you can and it'll work. If one of you want to test it and then let us know in the comments down below, by all means. Yeah, these IBOTTA rebates will be going very quickly as a lot of people are doing these deals. Okay, so the final deal that we're looking at, guys, is a very simple one. It is to grab a $12.99 Tide product. You can grab pods, you can grab the liquid. It has to have that $3 digital attaching, plus 2 premium brand Crest products. So, just to show you, this is the $3 that I loaded for the Tide Pods. It's just easier to store a thing of Tide Pods than a big thing of liquid. So that's why I always go for Tide Pods. And then 2 of the premium brand Crest, and it's buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. And then either the Tide Pods or Tide Liquid. And then just to show you like what are the toothpaste you're grabbing, we have a gum and a 3D white, so the premium brand ones. And on both of those, we have $4 digital coupons that are attaching, so make sure you load both of them. And this is the magic in the haul, these $4 digitals, so make sure you have them loaded, because how great is this deal? And then over on IBOTTA, there's $2 back for both of those fancier crests, so you're going to get an additional $4 back, so that's pretty fantastic. Now, if you have that paper booster, like spend 20 to get back 5 or whatever, it's obviously a little bit better to throw into the mix. But just to show you my receipt, $12.99 for the Tide and then $18 for the 2 toothpastes. Now, I had a $10 that I rolled again from spend 30, get back 10. And then a $5 from a different dental care deal I did, and then 5 for Crest, 4 for Crest, 4 for Crest, 3 for the Tide Pods. So look how many I stacked right there in this transaction. $4.99 is the balance, and I had a spend 25, get back 5. So I paid that, and then I got back $5 in Walgreens cash, $4 back from IBOTTA because I photographed this receipt for my 2 crests, and then I got an additional $14 back. 10 for the spend 30, get back 10 on P&G products, and an additional 4 for the Crest. So that is quite the deal. If you want to share in the comments down below, guys, what is and is not working for you in store, that would be helpful. And we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.